Hey guys, it's me Tom, and I'm gonna show you a video on this little Zippo I got. So first Zippo, I'm probably gonna buy some more and start collecting them, but I don't know about collecting the real Zippos because here in Canada they're like 30 bucks. So and I don't really use them, so I just have them because they're fun. So I don't really want to pay 30 bucks for something that I would never use. But I know some people would, but I just wouldn't do that. So this is the first Zippo. It is black. Okay, I bought this for $5 off some kid. Don't even know what kind it is. I can't take the insert out. I don't know why, it just won't come out. But I think it's not. I think it's not supposed to come out, because on the bottom there's little holes right here. So you can put in fluid through there and take the flint out without pulling it out. But the design on it is kind of like girly-ish. It's got like leaves and spirals and stuff on it, but it's all engraved and it's pretty cool. Right here, these two plain pieces on each side, so you could get your initials or your name engraved in them. That's about it. It's just like a regular Zippo. So I guess now I'm just gonna show you a few tricks I can do.